Let's go! Look at this shadow. I can see something fluffy around its head. That's called a mane. What animal do you think this is? 3, 2, 1. It's a lion! Great job, animal detectives. Lions say roar, and they're very brave. Wow! Look at those huge ears and that long, long nose. This animal uses its nose like we use our hands. It's an elephant. Elephants are huge and very smart. They can remember everything, just like you remember your ABCs. I see pointy ears and a curvy tail. This animal loves to play with yarn and chase laser dots. It's a cat. Cats are wonderful pets, and they love to purr when they're happy. Can you say meow like a kitty? Look, I can see a tail that's wagging back and forth. When this animal is happy, its tail moves really fast. It's a dog. Dogs are amazing friends who love to play and protect their families. They're so loyal and fun. This animal lives on a farm and loves to eat grass all day long. They have 4 legs and are really big. It's a cow. Cows are so important because they give us milk, and milk helps us grow big and strong. I see a flat beak perfect for catching fish, and those feet are special for swimming. It's a duck. Ducks are awesome swimmers, and they keep their babies safe in the water. Those are the biggest eyes I've ever seen. This animal is super smart and can turn its head almost all the way around. It's an owl. Owls are like flying teachers. They're so smart and help keep the forest safe. I see someone ready to jump really high. This animal has strong back legs for hopping and loves to sit on lily pads. It's a frog. Frogs are amazing because they can live in water and on land. They're like little superheroes. Wow, you did such a great job being animal detectives today. You learned about lions, elephants, cats, dogs, cows, ducks, owls, and frogs. Which animal was your favorite? Great job today, friends. See you next time for more fun learning adventures.